Good morning. Today we're going to head to La Jolla Cove, which is actually just a little bit north of San Diego. There's a great park there, right where the city comes down to the shore. Lots of sea life, and so we're going to check it out. This is a sleepy beach community that just comes right down to the coast. It's got houses that are, in some cases, as high as $12, $20 million. And then it's got apartments and condos right behind where we're going to be today. Lots of diving, lots of sea life, great picture spots all around the cove. So let's take a walk, drive through town a little bit, and have some fun today. Oh, and by the way, if you like what you see, click the like button and the thumbs up, and then be sure to share it.
I'm gonna walk out at the edge and see if we can see any seals or sea lions. Oh, it's an underwater park. Oh, there's Guy. Look at him. He's king of the castle. Oh, there's the wave. Oh, hello. Real aggressive. The sea lions bark? That big guy is giving it. Look at that. Oh yeah, look at there's like 3 or 4 of them over there. It's also one of my most favorite spots on any trip we take to the San Diego area. Over there's our hotel on those cliffs. This is definitely one of the most beautiful areas that we will hit on our trips. I love it so much. It's just the way the city comes right down to the coast. The sea lions and all the sea life they're so bold, they're just right on top of you. I mean, the seagull I thought was gonna reach in my pocket. But La Jolla Cove is just amazing. There's divers out there, boats going by. Can you imagine getting up every morning and just being like, okay, I'm gonna go for a run. And off you go, stop by the Starbucks up on the hill and down for a jog. One of those bikes, you just drop that anywhere, huh? A lot of these cliffs just seem like they're eroding away, which I wonder how they fix those. They must like block them up with cement or like, yeah, look at that. I mean, that's just a straight drop off. And then there's somebody down there. It's like an umbrella. Prime spot. It looks like some Airbnbs and hotels. Some are older, some are the more modern looking. There's a lot of variation in what you can stay and how you can enjoy this area. It's neat how the RVs are just parked. It looks like, I mean, they're obviously staying here for more than a few minutes.
I love making these videos and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you subscribe, click the like button, share it, and thanks for coming along on our La Jolla Cove visit, and thanks for joining Dewey's World.